This video is for the lesson modification. Good morning, class. How are you all today? Good, good. Okay, so today we are going to learn about a special person that has written many books that kids like you love to read. So I want you to think, just for about a minute, of anyone that you can think of that writes books that you all like to read. Okay? So think. Go ahead and wait. Continue to think. Think about those stories that you like to read at home or here at school. Keep thinking. Okay, good. Who can raise their hand and tell me about a special person that you know that writes books? Felipe? Scary stories. The name of the books? Goosebumps. Ah. Do you know who writes them? Oh, you don't know the name of the person? Oh, but you like reading those stories, right? Okay, good. Anyone else? Guadalupe? Adrian? Kyle? Don't know? Okay. Well, let me introduce the person that we're going to read about today. It is a woman. Yes, a woman wrote stories that you all love to read. You want to see a picture? And I want you to guess what books. Okay? Who is that woman? Do you recognize her? No? Look at the book in her hands. What does that say? Yeah. Harry Potter. That's right. Who has read that story before? All of you, right? Because last year we started reading it here in class, and all of you continued during summer, correct? Awesome. So today we are going to read about this woman, and we're going to tell what she did in her life growing up and also writing the stories. Okay? So each of you will have your own book, but also it will be projected onto the board. Okay? One at a time, each of you will be coming up and you're going to read one page each. You will be taking turns. I already bridged the story for all of you so it will be easier to read, okay? Okay, good. So let me get the books. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, each of you have your books. Now, who would like to go first to come up and read? Adrian, you want to be first? Come on up. Okay, Adrian, here's the story, and the first page is yours to read. Good. Continue. Make sure that you're facing your friends so they can see you signing too. Good. Thank you, Adrian. You can go ahead and sit down. Okay, next, Gael, come on up. And that will continue till all the story is finished. Now that we finished the story, who thought that it was cool? Yeah? That was a really exciting life. And she has written so many fun books to read. Now, on the last page, you're going to open your books, and there is what's called a timeline. Okay, it goes along the page. And on each part of her life, they wrote a little bit about it. So we're going to look at that really quick, and then all of us are going to decide which information we want and what information we don't want. Okay? Here's the timeline. Okay? It starts when she was a young girl, loving to read books, and it continues all the way to now when she's finished writing the Harry Potter books. Okay. Now that we've read all of that information, I want you to think. Look at your partner next to you, and I want you to talk about which things you would like to have and which information you don't want. Okay? You need to pick 3 things. Okay? So get together, you two, and talk. Which 3? Okay? You have 20 seconds. Go. Ten seconds. Okay, good. Stop. Okay, so first group. What is the first thing that you want to keep for the information? Okay, where she was born. Do you remember where? Oh, California. Okay. Do you know how to spell California? Okay, tell me again. C-A-L-I-F-O-R-I-A. Very good. Okay, what about you guys? Tell me one thing that you want to keep for information. What books she has written? That's good. Can you tell me what books? Harry Potter. Good. One more thing we want to save. Information? You guys want to go? Okay. Tell me one more thing that you two discussed. Oh, that she is continuing to write books, even though she is finished with the other ones. Good. Okay. Okay, she's continuing to write. Now, 3 things that we don't want. Okay, how old she is. Good. What else? How many kids she has. Okay. One more thing. That she's married. Okay. Okay, so now we are finished for today, but tomorrow we are going to use this information to start our second day of fun. Okay, so go ahead and go to recess, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.